What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and today I've got a grocery haul I want to share with you. Now, it did cost me 80 bucks. Did I get a good deal? Did I get some good things? Come on, let me show you. Starting from left to the right, I got some wonderful onion rolls. I love these things. And tonight I'm going to use them to make some pork pulled sandwiches with Mr. Dean on the scene. Oh yeah. I also got some sugar. 2 cans of baked beans, because we're also going to show some game day treats, and you're going to see me make my baked bean dip. You'll love that. Some onions, green onions. I got 2 of these. I got a whole bag of onions. Believe it or not, this was 99 cents for 3 pounds. They were on sale, thank goodness. Then I got 3 green peppers. They were 99 cents each. I got some Grand's biscuits, some crescent rolls, which are going to play a big part in one of the appetizers I do for game day. Oh, I got some mayonnaise, a huge thing of Louisiana hot sauce, so I can make my hot sauce chicken. 1 wonderful cabbage, so we can make some coleslaw to go with those pork sliders. Some butter. Now, let's move on to the meat. A whole pack of shrimp for $4.99. I had a coupon that also went with their sale. I got some smoked turkey tails because we're going to do some green beans. Then I got some kielbasa for the hot sauce soup. I got some hot dogs for our snacks at game day. I got some chicken breasts. Look at this, you all. With the coupon, they were 99 cents a pound. Now, here was the good sale that I got. I got 2 bags, 2 10-pound bags of chicken for $7 each. Yes, I did. Now, I did buy some miscellaneous things that were a little more. But basically, this is what I got for around $80. Wow. It really isn't that much, but the chicken will last quite a while. And these will be things for game day and other snacks we do. Now you see, nieces and nephews, how important the food pantries are and how they stretch your spending dollars with your food. Because without the pantries, I'm just going to be honest, I could not make it. Okay? And many others out there couldn't either. So it's important. Don't be ashamed to go to the food pantries because food is high. It's very high. Now, with that said, let's go over and let's make some game day treats that you're going to love. And I also have a sweet game day treat, which is like a dessert. Let's go. Super Bowl is upon us, and I've got some really cool, tasty treats to go along with the game day. I'm going to be making my baked bean dip, which is a cheesy baked bean dip. I'm also going to be making my shrimp rangoon, like crab rangoon, but shrimp rangoon, and my buffalo shrimp salad. Now I'm going to start with my baked bean dip, my cheesy baked bean dip, because it's the easiest one to do. You're going to love this. Oh, and none of these do you have to cook. None of them. Put your beans in a dish like this, okay? Once you've done that, take you some maple syrup. Follow me now, children. Put you some maple syrup. Put that in there, okay? Take you some onion powder. Sprinkle in about a teaspoon, okay? Not too much. I want you to mix it up. This will give this a really good flavor. Now, take you about 2 slices of cheese, or as much as you want, and put in your beans. I like mine kind of extra cheesy. But put as, like I said, put as much as you want, okay? Like I said, if you know about this cheese, you know. Okay. Now, I want some more. You know Uncle Chris, greedy. Lord have mercy. All right. See that? Cheese right on top. Microwave this for 1 to 2 minutes on high. I'll be right back. Okay, I have microwaved this for 2 minutes, so it's all nice, hot and bubbly and cheesy. Just mix it around just like this. And you've got a cheesy baked bean dip. Bean dip is looking good, y'all. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's move on to my crab rangoon dip. Now, I'm only going to make so much because game day ain't here just yet. Take you some softened cream cheese. Okay. I'm just going to mush this up a bit. I'm going to take some of my shrimp I have here, as you see. I got the little cocktail shrimp to make it easier. Mix these up in your bowl real good. I also have some green onions I've chopped up already. Take some of those, sprinkle in as well. All right. I will mix this together just like this. Now at this point, I'm going to take a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, like a teaspoon, and put in there. Okay. I'm going to put some onion powder in. Mix this up. And there. We have a mixture that looks like crab rangoon, ready to be put on top of a cracker, which I will do. Just like that. And there you have it. These are bite-sized little crab rangoons on a cracker without any cooking, frying, or anything. And they're good. Okay, we're going to move on to my buffalo shrimp salad. This is really good. Put your shrimp, I say at least 2 cups worth of cocktail shrimp, depending upon how much you want to make. Okay? I just happen to like this. Now, you're going to add about a ½ cup of red onion. Okay? Diced up. Red onion tastes good raw. And then we're going to put in some more of our green shallots. Now, take you some lemon pepper, okay? Put you in at least a teaspoon. Take you some onion powder. Do the same thing. Take a good heaping spoonful of mayo. Put that in to your liking. Use your judgment on that. I'm making a lot, so I might have to add some more. But I'm going to let you see how everything looks once I'm done, okay? Because I'm going to plate it up and make it look really cool for you. It's just the simple things that can make your dish good, okay? You know, that might be enough right there. Yeah. See how that is? Yeah. This is the right consistency, just like that. Take some hot sauce of your choice. Put in as much as you want. Okay? Once again, take you a lovely cracker, put some on, boom. Quick and simple hors d'oeuvre, and it's good. Mm. Now, I want to throw in this little bonus one. You're going to love this. This you're going to love. It's a little unexpected. Take some cream cheese. Put you a little bit of sugar in it. If you're going to make a lot of them, take a cup or rather a pack of cream cheese, but make sure it comes to room temperature so you can mold it around, okay? Now I'm doing that right now. I'm molding cream cheese around. That's all I'm doing. I added a little bit of sugar to it and I'm whipping it around. Take you a cracker, okay? Put your cream cheese on there, all right? I'm just hurrying up so I can show you, but you're gonna do it more neatly than I'm gonna do it right here. Now you see that? You got it on there. Now, you could take some strawberry jelly, or, as I have done, and I'm gonna show you my recipe for this. This is my tart cherry jam and cake glaze. It is delicious. Basically what it is, I take my cherries, a cup of water, a cup of cherries, and a half cup or more of sugar. I cook it down till it's this consistency. Let it cool and use it to top cakes and anything else I want. Put it on top of the cracker with the cream cheese. This could be your dessert hors d'oeuvre, and I swear to you, it tastes just like a cherry cheesecake. I swear to you, I make it. And yes, you better believe I was in heaven. That is beyond good. Now, let me plate all these up so you guys can see how they would look. All right, nieces and nephews, I had a crazy idea. I'm gonna add this to my appetizers. What is game day without hot dogs? So what we're gonna do, I got some of those crescent rolls, you know the ones. They're just like this. We're gonna make some pigs in a blanket kind of. Take our hot dog, put it in your crescent roll, and roll it up. Wrap him on up in there. Just like that, okay? And put him in your dish. See my dish here? It's already buttered and greased, all right? Take another hot dog. Do the same thing. Roll him on up. How y'all doing out there? What you doing for game day? I wanted to make sure I had something really cool. And then I'm going to show you, after these are done, this will be the only thing you bake, by the way, if you want to be so industrious. How cool these are going to be, because we're going to modify them. Roll them on up. That's right. Roll them on up. Put it in. I'm going to make sure everybody tonight gets one. We're going to do movie night with these. These aren't just for game day. You could do them on movie night. How cool is that? And I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 5. Yep. Actually, I might do them all simply because I don't want to waste this. I might do something else with these. I'm going to see. Because I do have that jelly filling. I might do something for Jay. All right. Wrap them all up. Now, bake these until it's golden brown in the oven at 375. You'll know when they're done. When the pastry is done, the hot dogs are done. Be right back. Our bean dip came out lovely, garnished with some green onion, and of course, our wonderful main dish. From savory to sweet, our crab rangoon, our buffalo shrimp, of course our sweet treats for dessert, and our wonderful pigs in a blanket. What's game day without hot dogs? And of course our dipping sauces. They will be just wonderful with those pigs in a blanket. Everyone can choose what they really want. See, nieces and nephews, you can make your game day fun and easy. And let me tell you, these, which will I choose? Barbecue. These are excellent. Now, I don't know which is my favorite of the savory ones here, but I think it's a crab rangoon. And I love this bean dip. And I swear to you, I swear, these taste like cheesecake on a cracker. The sweet ones, oh. Like, comment, and subscribe. And by the way, tomorrow, I'm doing another game day, main course, with Mr. Dean on the scene. He's going to be in my kitchen. He's going to show you how to make his, I believe they're called Memphis pork sandwiches. Memphis pulled pork sandwich. I can't wait. That sounds good with game day. Ooh. This is all due to Miss City Girl Homestead. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I'm so glad you brought me in on this project. I'm happy as a lark. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe, and go to City Girl's channel. You gotta make her pot pie. Her chicken pot pie. Oh my God. Yeah, girl, I'm still talking about it. All right, June, Victoria, Miss Deborah Jones. Thank you, sweetheart. Lily and Tilly, thank you so much. You know what you did for me. Thank you. All right, big love from Uncle Chris.